And I think I heard you say your drive home last night was a little hairy.
It was worse than I had anticipated because we only got about 6 inches or so of snow in the Portland area, and it wound down, pretty much
early enough.
late afternoon.
Yeah.
So I was coming home at about 7:15, 7:30. There was just so much blowing and drifting that off the main roads, it was tough.
I was going to say, was it the wind just kicking
100%.
everything around?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And I got off the highway a little earlier than I usually do, and I was surprised off the highway. There was so much blowing and drifting back on the roads.
Hopefully Wednesday a little bit better.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow's going to be easier.
Okay.
Okay. Because there is another round of
Yeah. Absolutely.
snow coming our way.
I do want to point out, though, yesterday you were in a part of the state that saw very little snow.
It was a stark contrast, and I'm only 40 minutes outside of Portland.
Yeah.
And it's just what was happening on the coast, nothing was happening
Very
where I
different
was.
Yeah, we were showing those bands on the radar. The mountains got a few inches, but there was a gap in between.
Yeah.
Where it just didn't make it. It was a bizarre storm for us in southern New England, a much more classic blizzard where they're digging out, and it is a process down there for sure.
Yeah, they'll be digging out for days in
Right.
southern New England.
Yeah.